my god, they're hoofs. Oh my god.
All right, honey. Happy birthday.
Awesome. I love you guys.
All right, honey.
Yeah.
It's ready for your birthday surprise. I've been working very hard on it. It's not nearly where I want to be,
It's fine.
but tell me what you know. You know it's a game.
I know it's a game.
You didn't know that until a couple days ago.
No. And I know it has something to do with a bunch of photos, because why else would you want photos?
All right, so
Okay.
what I'd like you to do is go ahead and get the VR headset set up.
Okay. Oh my god, they're hoofs. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay. Do I go?
Yeah, if you're ready. Use the trigger. Listen to the resonance the water makes when it hastens and sprints to the shore. Smell the salty air around you. You'll love it even more. Witness the rocks. Watch all of them closely. You'll find your peace right there. After a while, when you engross yourself, you can't stop to stare. Welcome. I see that I have you exactly where I want you. You know, I have to say, our recent trips to places like Disney have really inspired me. If a human popsicle and his damn dusty rat can build a theme park, I should at least be able to build some kind of virtual world, right? So you know what? Let's get started. First things first. How would you like me to refer to you?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Let's go with the top one for now. Oh.
Error encountered. Snuggleuffagus selected.
Okay, wait.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Snuggleuffagus? Snuggleuffagus? Seriously? Okay. Whatever you say. Snuggleuffagus. Alright, well, no matter.
Oh my God.
We need some form of transportation. Let's see, this is a virtual world. Oh, I got it. I know. Tell me, Snuggleuffagus, when did you last let your heart decide?
Oh. You're gonna make...
Well, that figures. I guess that carpet looked kind of sketchy anyway. Plus, it would probably make you throw up in VR.
Yeah.
Besides, I can't really pull off the whole Prince Ali thing anyway. Now what? Quark! Quark, the damn house suite's on the fritz again.
No refunds.
Rom, can you help me
Quark.
out?
Once you have their money, you never give it back.
Exactly.
Ugh, okay, fine. I'll fix it myself.
Oh my god,
Where the
this
hell's
is
O'Brien
awesome.
when you need him? Alright. And there. That should do it. Oh, dang it, I released the bug. Oh, I freaking should have tested more. Squish it.
Oh
squish it,
my
kill it, kill
God.
it. Stop the bug. Stop it.
No!
Phew, okay, we squished the bug.
I didn't want to
Hold on
squish
a
it.
Oh, shit. She was carrying a gift.
No.
Oh, it's one of my aunts. She wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Oh, frick. Okay. All right. Well, you know what? Don't worry about it. Nervous Nell will make more workers. This isn't that big of a deal. I mean, yeah. I mean, ants have lots and lots of worker ants, so not a problem. Just forget about that. Okay, now. Where were we? Now, we were trying to get you transportation to Doe Haven. You know what? There's really only one solution here. Tess, come here, girl.
Oh my god.
There's our girl. Now,
Oh
Tess,
god,
did you have
yes.
something you wanted to tell Mama?
Oh my god, this is awesome. Aw, Tess.
Aw, nicely done, Tess. Are you ready to take us to Doe Haven now?
Oh my god, this is amazing.
And all I ask is for a Ford Transit and a globally positioned satellite system to steer her by.
Oh.
Yes, Tess, I know that Doehaven is surrounded by water. Don't worry, I'll make you a raft, okay? Then onward to great adventure. Head towards the second stop sign to the right and straight on till morning. Oh, wait. I've always wanted to say this. Where we're going, we don't need roads.
I mean, come on. You can't not say that. I love you. This is incredible.
My dear Snuggleuffagus, welcome.
Oh no!
Absolutely not.
Thank God.
As I was saying, I really couldn't think of what to get you for your birthday. Video game? Sure. The moon? Well, you want me to bring you the moon, Mary?
Yes.
I mean, that's been done. I kept thinking how much you love the beach, how happy it makes you to hear the waves. I can't afford a private island yet, but I do know how to build one in VR. So, welcome to Doehaven,
Oh.
your very own private beach island.
Oh, I love
So what
this.
can you do here? Well, in actuality, about 1% of what I had originally planned. You can walk around and enjoy the waves, be at peace in your own space. Soon I want to add procedurally generated seashells for you to collect, but that can wait. I'll leave you now so you can explore and enjoy. But I'd like to leave you with this. Take a look around at the signs here. These are each birthday messages from
I'm
your friends
good.
and family. People that love you and are glad to be part of your life. They each
I'm
took
still
the
listening.
time to work with me and get their message into this game. I think that must make you pretty special. Happy birthday, Mary. Doe, Crimes, Snuggleuffagus. Love you.
Oh my God, and I love the fact there's a freaking jumping thing over here. Mama, stay away from it. Aw,
Mama asked specifically that I add that to your island.
I love it. Aw, look at the little Brighton. Ace. I better get some of those chocolate chip cookies. Chug-a-lug. Aw, Mama, there is no chug-a-lug. Well, maybe. Aw. Aunt Tammy and Iggy, I love you guys. Oh my god, you guys are all gonna make me freaking cry today. Oh. You guys really are gonna make me cry. I hate you all, but I love you all. Okay, that is incredible.
You like your dough hooves?
I love the dough hooves. Man, you're good. Pony Pal. Oh my gosh. Actually, I heard from Jackie this morning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, she gave me a voice message, and I let her know we're heading back. Oh, I love it. Oh my God! And the cookie and the milk. Yes.
Do you see the bear?
Yes. Hi, Steve. Hi, Kit. Oh my God.
That is Gary, we decided.
Hi,
And
Gary.
That's, one of Kit's first models she's ever before.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's freaking adorable. I love it. Oh my God. And I love the pirate ship. Oh my God.
Did you see the sign above you?
Hang on, I gotta go back. Doehaven! Alright, what's this one? Oh, you guys are all gonna. Oh my God! Mitch and Sue? What the?
I've been a very busy boy.
What the heck? You guys really are gonna make me cry.
It's all right, honey.
Oh, look at all of our freaking our online friends. 0. Oh my god. Assassin. Tropical. Wait, you. God, you guys, I hate you, but I love you.
So that's from our client.
Ah! Oh my god, and I love the choice. Oh my god, Jared and Alicia, I can't wait to see you guys. Oh my gosh.
That one's from Mike.
Oh! Okay, I was wondering. Taco! Yes! Oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing.
We're gonna have one from Irish Jern.
Irish Dawn! I love the fact that it's moving. That's so him, too. So him. IT guy Matt. Oh my gosh. Akron! Oh my gosh. And then we have. Hi, Crab. Oh my god, guys.
This is from Claire and Rena. Oh, it says it right there.
Oh my god, you guys. Claire. You guys, I can't wait to play more games. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's the big pengy.
From Luna Beat, Laura at Luna Beat Games.
The VR.
That's
Oh my
actually
god.
from the VR games. It's the actual model.
Are you kidding? Oh my god, I love
Put
this.
that together for you.
I love this. Oh, Josh and Dan. And of
They
course,
want to play all the board games.
I mean, look at all of them in here. Wow, Boulder Dash, Puerto Rico. Oh my, oh god, not that one. the,
Oh, Carcassonne.
yeah, and Dominion where frickin' they kicked our butts. Oh my god, guys, this is incredible.
So there's one more little section with signs. A special little section over here.
Oh my god, I know, I'm just looking around. Okay, the water feature.
Yeah, so yeah, I was telling everyone that the most important thing to do is the water.
It is. This is like 10 out of 10. This is, I have a very high expectation when it comes to watering video games. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love that. Oh my god.
Eventually there will be shells that randomly generate and wash up on the shore, and then you can collect them. I just didn't get around to it.
It's fine. YBF. Oh my god. Of course, Flossie. Oh my god.
Spike, it's got all different ways of writing your birthday, 38.
Oh my god.
Celebrate the crimes.
Oh my god. Peach! Oh my god.
You see there's a keg?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I miss my Hashers. Oh my god. Beer near. You be flossed. Flossie. Kiki. Oh my god, guys.
There you go. There's meant to be a whole lot more. You can walk around the island. I haven't fully featured it, fleshed it out yet. Oh, that shop right there. I don't have a sign on it. The one that's in front of you. That's
This one?
The other one to the left. Yeah, that one's gonna be Soup's little shop there. So they sell some
Candy.
Yeah, he wants to be the first to sell Sky Bars.
Yes. Oh my god, guys.
All right, honey.
You
Happy
guys are
birthday.
awesome. I love you guys.
Everyone took time out of their day to get me images and messages and stuff to put in. Guys, thanks for watching. She really loved the surprise, and it meant a lot for all of you that sent in messages for her birthday. I mean, that really just drived it home, and it was really great. So, again, thank you all so much. You made this possible. So, everyone, take care.